Is it legal for ICE to make traffic stops? Generally, for American citizens, it is not legal for ICE to make traffic stops, but this does get a little muddy. According to DHS rules, when ICE officers reasonably suspect that a vehicle contains undocumented immigrants, they can briefly stop the vehicle to investigate the circumstances that raised their suspicion. But they need an objective basis for this. They cannot just rely on a hunch. But and I cannot believe I'm saying this, 2025's Vasquez Perdomo v. Nome, the Supreme Court determined that immigration stops that rely solely on race, ethnicity, or speaking a different language can constitute a reasonable suspicion. Now, this being said, according to publications like the San Francisco Chronicle, legal scholars such as law professor Bill Hing state that ICE's authority ends once they confirm someone's a US citizen. So if anybody has an ID or a passport on them, this should be the end of it. Keyword should. Now, is the idea that you have to carry your papers around or risk being pulled from your vehicle drawing parallels to the German Gestapo? Do I personally think this is literal racial profiling and wrong? Yes, but my opinions and feelings aren't the law. And according to the Supreme Court, if you're white right now, you have more rights currently, which is wild. For those of us, though, who look legal, ICE can't simply break the glass and pull you out. In fact, according to the New York Times, the first step in arresting an occupant of a vehicle is not to reach in and grab them, unless there are specific circumstances requiring that action. So ICE shouldn't be smashing and grabbing immediately from vehicles if they don't like you. If they do, this is illegal. If they're blocking traffic, which they were for this woman here, and also telling her to get out, then break the glass and force her out, this is both illegal and also a gross use of escalation. But as of January 16th, that's just where we're at when it comes to vehicles.